Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Our today's topic is practice set 17.2. This video congruent arcs. Here I draw figure in a circle with center O. Here angle AOB and angle COD. Measure of angle AOB is equal to measure of angle COD. This is given, therefore, measure arc AXB is equal to measure arc CYD. When measures of given arcs are equal, measure of arc is equal to its measure of corresponding central angle. If these two arcs AXB and CYD, measure of these two arcs are equal, therefore arc AXB congruent arc CYD. Here, if the measure of two arcs of a circle are same, then the two arcs are congruent. Now we see activity 1 and 2. Here we draw a circle and two arcs AXB, CYD, two central angle AOB and COD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Measure of these two angles are equal. Therefore, arc AXB congruent arc CYD. When these two arcs are congruent, when we draw chord AB and chord CD. Chord AB is formed by arc AXB and CD is formed by CYD. Therefore, these chords are congruent. Vice versa, when two chords are congruent, then their corresponding arcs are also congruent. So, here we write down the chords corresponding to congruent arcs are congruent. In a circle, if two chords are congruent, then their corresponding minor arcs and major arcs are congruent. So, using this relation between the chord and the arc, we solve practice set 17.2. Practice set 17.2. First question, diameter PQ and RS of the circle with center C are perpendicular to each other at point C. State why the arc PS and SQ are congruent. Write the other arcs which are congruent to PS. Solution. PQ perpendicular to RS, therefore at point C there are four right angles. So write down all four right angles. Major angle PCS is equal to major angle SCQ is equal to major angle QCR is equal to major angle RCP is equal to 90 degree. This is statement number 1. Now, relation between the central angle and its corresponding arc. Arc PS, major arc PS is equal to major angle PCS. So write down major arc PS is equal to major angle PCS. This is statement number 2. Next, Major arc SQ is equal to major angle SCQ. This is statement number 3. From 1 to 3, arc PS congruent arc SQ. Write down the reason from statement number 1, 2 and 3. Now write down major arc QR is equal to major angle QCR. This is statement number 4. Next one, major arc PR is equal to major angle RCP. This is statement number 5. Now observe statement number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get arc PS congruent, arc SQ congruent, arc QR congruent, arc PR. Write down the reason from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Complete this example in your notebook. Second example, in the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle whose diameter, here this is a diameter MN. Measure of some central angles are given, and this angle, these are given. Then find major angle AOB, means this angle, and COD. Show that arc AB, means this arc congruent to CD. Similarly, chord AB congruent chord CD. Solution. This MN is a diameter, segment MN is a diameter given. So write down segment MN is a diameter. Therefore, the circle divides into two semicircular parts. This semicircular part, that is 180, divided into three arcs. This one, AM, AB and BN. So write down major arc AM plus major arc AB plus major arc BN is equal to 180 degree. Now major arc AM is equal to major angle AOM plus major angle AOB plus major angle BON is equal to 180 degree. Write down major angle AOM plus major angle AOB plus major angle BON is equal to 180 degree. Now substitute the values. Therefore 100 degree plus angle AOB plus 35 is equal to 180 degree. 100 plus 35, that is 135. We bring on right hand side. Therefore major angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 45. Similarly, we find major angle COD. So write down. Similarly, this is statement number 1. Similarly, major arc MD plus major arc DC plus major arc CN is equal to 180. Major arc MD is equal to major angle AOD. Major angle MOD plus COD plus CON is equal to 180 degree. Now substitute the values. 100 plus major angle COD plus 35 is equal to 180 degree. Now 100 plus 35, 135 we bring on right hand side. Therefore major angle COD is equal to 180 minus 135 is equal to 45 degree. This is statement number 2. From statement number 1 and 2, we write down major angle AOB is equal to major angle COD. If angles are equal, then their corresponding arcs are congruent. This is from 1 and 2. Therefore, arc AB congruent arc CD. When arcs are congruent, then their corresponding chords are congruent. This is a relation between the chord and the arc. So write down, therefore chord AB congruent chord CD. Here we complete practice set 17.2. So write down this example in your notebook. Thank you.